and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you join me today. Today is an exciting day for us because we will be recreating this makeup look, and I will be using the Huda Beauty New palette. This palette is stunning. It is a winner, you guys. This palette will get you noticed. This palette has 18 shades, and one of the shades happens to be a concealer. They have 4 beautiful special shades and 2 shimmer shades in this palette. The rest, my friends, are matte shades. And I tell you, you can have a total makeup look with this palette alone, as you will see in the upcoming makeup tutorial. So please stay with me. And don't forget, at the end of the video, please comment below and let me know how you liked the video, what products you would like me to use next, or what makeup looks or colors you're interested in seeing next. I want this to be an interactive channel between me and you, my subscribers. Again, thank you for your support. Next, here is the tutorial. The first shade we're going to use out the palette is this shade right here called Play. And it's a matte shade, and it's going to be the foundation for the look. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this shade and we're going to put it high up almost to our brow bone. Because this shade right here is just a foundational shade. That's all we're using it for. Because as you can see, it's kind of milky, but it does the job. And so we're just going to blend this up nice and neatly right here. There we go. That's what we want. The next shade I'm going to go into the palette is the shade called Tickle. And it is the shade right here. Very nice shade, Tickle. And we're going to put that on top of the first shade. So glad this palette has a mirror so I can use it when needed. Not that I really care, because I mean, you know, I always keep a mirror on the side, but sometimes it just makes it easier, especially like when you're on the run. So you won't have to be using 2 mirrors, you know? So here we go. It's blending very nicely. The next shade I'm going to use is Spanked, right here in the corner. And what we're going to do is take this shade again on the fluffy brush right here, and I'm going to bring it down just a little bit on the eye, just a little bit. And here we go. There we go. Now, by building up these shades, we have a foundation, so the pinkish color will come out very nicely on your lid like it's doing right now. Very nice blend. And so again, you know how I say, blend, blend, and then blend some more. Here we go. How you guys doing anyway? Are you having a good winter season? I know where I live at, it is extremely cold. I mean, it is bitter cold out there. And so if you are in the north eastern part of the United States like I am, please take the time to be warm and keep yourself safe. Don't go out unless you have to. And so as I can see, this shade Love Bite is not particularly giving me the punch that I want right now. So what I'm going to do is, there's a fellow YouTuber called Lyric Rochester. If you haven't looked at her channel, please look her up. Lyric Rochester. She's from, and lives in Jamaica. And so often I see her take a crayon or pencil. This time I'm going to use NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color dark brown. And what I'm going to do is just put it in the crease just to give me a foundation for this color right here. Just to help me give it a little bit of depth for this eye look. That's all we'll use it for. And guys, you know, although I have a lot of brushes, the finger works wonderful for stuff like this. So we just sit up here and use our finger just to spread it out a little bit. Let's go back in and see what we have. There we go. There we go. The dark color, it's almost like a dark cranberry, is coming out very nicely now. See the difference? That's what we want. We want a little bit of definition using this color. And again, the color is Love Bite in the palette that we're using. Very nice. And please feel free to comment below, particularly if you have any questions about the palette, shade, or techniques. And I also want to hear from you guys about what videos you'd like me to do next. On my channel, I always want to hear from my subscribers. Okay, I think that came out pretty nice. So what I'm going to do is get the next shade, which I call the star of the show, one of the stars of this particular eye look, and it's called Fantasy. It is that special shade right here that I told you guys about. It looks very different on the camera. Sorry guys, I know that the mirror was in the way. And this shade is so beautiful. I mean, look how it goes on. A lot of people use their fingertips, and I do quite often for shades like this. And so let me show you what it does when you use your fingertips. See? Do you see the difference? Oh my goodness, the application with the finger is spectacular. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so awesome. Go ahead, Huda Beauty. This time you have a winner. Oh, that is spectacular. I love it. Next, we're going to go into the shade called Crave. And it is another one of those wonderful shades. And we're going to put that in our inner tear duct. And it's just going to set off that area and give you the little pop that you need. Let's see. There we go, baby. Woo, there we go, baby. And y'all know my song when I do these tutorials, so we might as well go ahead and put it in right now. Ooh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Yes, I do. Woo! I tell you, that is spectacular. I'm going to go into my MAC 217 and I'm just going to start blending everything together. We don't want any rough edges in our look. We want it to come together and be fabulous. Ah! There we go. That is nice. Oh, just look at those colors. These colors are spectacular. I love it. I love it, you guys. I think it's beautiful. Woo! So right now what we're going to do is we're going to do our bottom lash line. And I often say to you, my friends, in my videos, that what I do is first start with the color that's on your outer edge of your eye look. So we're going to go back into the matte shade right here, Love Bite. That's the shade we're going to go into. And we're just going to start down here. And I know some people are very sensitive around their eyes. It takes practice, but you can do it, that's for sure. And we all have those looks that we make when we put on makeup, you know. Sometimes you just can't even help yourself, can you? I don't think so. But honey, just as long as you get it on, that's what you want. Because the finished look is going to be absolutely spectacular. And I'm going to go back into Fantasy and we're just going to marry the colors at the bottom. Just like the eye we have already done. See? It didn't take us long to do it either. I tell you, wonderful. I mean, this is wonderful. I love it when you have a quality product and everything just goes on the way it's supposed to. Because once I come back in a few minutes, I'm going to go off camera, put on my lashes, and I think I'll do my eyeliner, and then we'll come back and we'll talk. It's going to be beautiful. And here we go, my loves, the finished product. Isn't it amazing how everything just came together? And I'd like to share with you the lashes that I have on today are Ardell Remy lashes. Aren't they amazing? I mean, just look at them. They just add to the sparkle and the glamour of this look. And again, my loves, wear this look anytime you want to. Because don't we all want to be noticed? I tell you, this look is a winner. I would like to thank you for joining me for this makeup tutorial. In the description box below, I will list all of the products that I used. And again, thank you for your continued support. Please join me for the next makeup tutorial.